Once upon a time, in a world not so different from ours, lived a tiny soap named Foamy. Unlike other soaps, Foamy was made of foam, light and airy, but with a powerful cleaning ability. One sunny day, Foamy was sitting on the sink, watching the bubbles dance around him. He felt a sense of restlessness, a desire to do something more. He wondered, could there be more to my life than just cleaning? The next day, Foamy decided to embark on an adventure. He floated out of the sink, through the kitchen, and out into the world. He met many friends along the way, a grubby shoe, a dirty dish, and even a muddy puppy. Each friend had a problem that needed solving. The grubby shoe was covered in dirt, the dirty dish was caked with food, and the muddy puppy was covered from nose to tail. Foamy, with his unique ability, helped each one, leaving them clean and happy. But as Foamy floated through the world, he realized that there was more to life than just cleaning. He was making a difference, bringing joy and happiness to those he met. He felt a sense of purpose and fulfillment he had never felt before. One day, he came across a polluted river. The water was dirty, and the fish were struggling. Foamy knew he had to help. He floated into the river, absorbing the dirt and pollutants. As he did, the water started to clear, and the fish began to swim freely. Foamy realized that his purpose was not just to clean, but to help and make a difference. He returned home, feeling proud of what he had accomplished. From that day on, Foamy realized that even though he was just a soap, he could make a big impact. From then on, Foamy continued to clean, but he also continued to help. He inspired others to do the same, showing them that no matter how small they might seem, everyone has the power to make a difference. And so, Foamy the soap became a symbol of hope and inspiration, reminding everyone that no matter how small or insignificant they might feel, they too can make a difference in the world.